Welcome, here we've got ALCATEL 1X and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by just simply sliding to the left. Here we have access to other modes of this camera and to this button in the left corner. When we tap on this we get access to the advanced camera settings. And now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings. Here we have the save location information option, so by using this button we can turn this off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of the picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep turning on all of the settings and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this icon we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. From here let's go to the right corner here. When we tap on this we can pick the details of the picture, and here we can check the location at the last position. As you can see we have full map. So greetings from Krakow, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.